Hand knitting can be relaxing, but it can take a lot of time, and keeping every stitch even is not always easy. That's where knitting machines come in, offering a faster way to create clean, consistent results for all kinds of projects. This video is all about the best knitting machines, and I'll walk through what each one brings to the table so you can see the differences clearly. The products in this list sit in different price ranges, and each one works better for certain needs and project types. That's why it helps to watch the full video, so you can figure out which option fits what you want to make. You'll find links to all the knitting machines in the description below. If you enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you stay up to date. If any questions come up, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Now let's jump into the reviews and start with the first knitting machine on the list. Number 5. Centro 22 Needle Knitting Machine. This one has a playful vibe right from the start, and it clearly focuses on quick projects and easy results. The bunny-themed look really stands out, with white ears on top that make it fun to leave out on a craft table instead of hiding it away. It's a circular setup with 22 needles packed into a compact body that's easy to store and move around. The lightweight build makes a difference if you like to craft in different spots. Operation stays simple. You wrap the yarn, turn the handle, and the rows start forming. Flat and loop knitting modes are built in, along with 3 yarn tightness settings, so switching between hats, scarves, and smaller pieces feels smooth once you get the hang of it. This option sits firmly in the budget range and shows up often in beginner projects. People use it for baby hats, mittens, socks, and quick gifts, and it works best with worsted weight and thicker DK yarns. A small set of extras comes in the box too, like sample yarn and basic tools, which helps ease the setup. There are a few downsides worth mentioning. Some users report parts wearing out after several projects, and dropped stitches can happen if tension isn't even. The suction cups don't always grip well, so keeping a hand on the machine helps. There's a short learning curve, though many people get comfortable after watching a few tutorials. For a compact, beginner-friendly knitting machine with a fun look, this one fills that spot nicely. Number 4. Mioki Knitting Machine. This one steps things up with a larger size and a bit more weight, which changes how it feels compared to smaller picks. It's aimed at people who want bigger projects without jumping into a higher price tier. This machine uses 40 needles in a round layout, giving more room for hats, scarves, and longer tubes. The hand crank setup keeps things simple, and no electricity is needed. I like that the frame feels more planted on a table, especially with the added suction cups and hardware included in the box. Once the rhythm feels right, the stitches can come out even and clean. Medium weight, smooth yarns tend to work best here. It lands in the budget category and comes with a generous kit. You get yarn to start, multiple hooks and needles, a wire frame, tools, and an accessory bag. Color choices add a bit of personality too, with options like white, black, pink, and deep pink. There are some drawbacks worth knowing. Stitch dropping comes up a lot if the cranking speed changes or the yarn pulls unevenly. The plastic frame can crack over time for some people, and the suction cups don't always stay put. This model doesn't include a row counter, so tracking rows takes a bit more attention. The instructions help with basics, though many people learn faster by watching videos. For beginners who want a larger knitting surface and don't mind some practice, this one can be a practical step up from smaller machines. Number 3. Centro 48 Needles Knitting Machine. This option is where things start to feel more serious, with a larger needle count that opens the door to bigger projects. It's clearly aimed at people who want to move faster and make more than just small accessories. This machine comes with 48 needles and a built-in row counter, which helps keep track of progress without guessing. I like how it supports both round tubes and flat panels, giving flexibility for hats, scarves, blankets, and cushion covers. The hand crank action stays simple, and the tension settings let you match different yarn weights with a bit of trial and practice. Many people point out how quick projects can be here, with simple hats finished in about 15 minutes once the rhythm feels steady. It sits in the budget range and comes in a few variations. Color choices include pink and blue, with different size options available, including upgraded versions. The kit covers the basics with tools and waste yarn, so setup feels straightforward. A few trade-offs come up in feedback. The row counter can stop working after long use for some users, and the machine prefers certain yarn sizes. Staying under size 4 yarn seems to bring the best results. Keeping a steady pace matters too, since speed changes can lead to dropped stitches. Without extra grip, the base may slide on smooth tables. For people who want faster output and more project range without spending big, this one fits nicely in the middle of the list. Number 2. Addi Express Professional Knitting Machine. This pick leans more into quality and long-term crafting, and it feels like it's built for people who want consistency over quick experiments. It keeps things mechanical and simple, with a focus on control rather than speed alone. This machine uses 22 needles and works in both round and flat setups, making it a good fit for hats, cowls, scarves, and smaller panels. The improved row counter helps track progress more easily, which makes repeating patterns less stressful. The tabletop design pairs with clamps and feet, so it stays steady during longer sessions. Yarn control gets a boost from the included tension guides, which helps keep stitches even with medium weight yarns. This one sits in the premium range and comes as an extended edition. The package includes extra needles, tools, stoppers for flat knitting, and a pattern book that focuses on fast projects. It's made in Germany and comes in a smaller size compared to larger versions, which limits how wide projects can go, but keeps the setup compact. Some user experiences point out a learning phase at the start, especially around yarn choice. Very soft or fuzzy yarns can lead to dropped stitches, and plastic needles may wear over time, though replacements are included. The row counter can sound loud and takes a bit of care to reset. For crafters who want reliable control and strong support tools, this one earns a high spot on the list. Number 1. Addi Express King Size Knitting Machine. This is the biggest machine on the list, and it clearly feels like the final step up for serious home knitting. The size alone sets the tone, and it's built for people who want larger projects without piecing things together later. You get 46 needles in a wide circular layout, which opens the door to blankets, sweaters, long scarves, and big batches of hats. I like that it keeps the same hand crank style, staying fully mechanical and simple to control. The improved row counter helps track progress more accurately, which matters a lot once projects get longer. With the clamps, feet, and tension guides included, the setup stays steady and controlled on a table. The larger diameter makes stitches flow smoothly with medium weight yarns. This option sits firmly in the premium category and comes as a complete kit. Spare needles, tools, hooks, yarn for a first project, and 2 pattern books are part of the box. It comes in a black finish, giving it a more workshop-style look compared to smaller, playful machines. Feedback points to a learning phase at the beginning. Yarn tension needs attention, or stitches may drop during early projects. Instructions feel brief for some people, leading many to video guides. A few mention handle parts wearing out, though replacements are provided. For anyone planning high-volume projects or charity knitting, this one earns the top spot for size, speed, and long-term use. I hope this list helped make things clearer and gave you a better sense of what to look for when picking the right setup for your projects. Different sizes and styles fit different goals, so it really comes down to how you like to create. If any option grabbed your attention, the links are in the description below. If this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. You can leave a comment if a question comes up, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful guides. Thanks for hanging out.